Okay, the water start right here. And the lights won't come on. I'm assuming that it's because of the light won't come on. I'm assuming it's because circuit breaker. And as I'm walking, everything is wet. I don't know. I guess it hasn't made it in here yet. But leading up to here, it's soaking wet. Leading up to here, it's soaking wet. Oh, my feet is getting soaking wet. And I got hot shoes on with the rubber bottom. All over here. All of this is wet. It's soaking wet. All over here. Over here. Oops, that's the wall. Sorry, I'm partially blind. And I'm walking in the dark. Like, oh, sorry. All of this is wet. It's damp. All of this over here is wet. Then over this is soaking water. Water. All over here. All over there. Oh, my feet is soaking wet. It's deep. It's like 3 feet. It's all wet. By the furnace. All this over here wet. All my luggage and stuff is wet. Everything over here is wet. Everything is wet. Everything is wet down here. There's a room over here. I can't really see it. Okay. So wet right here. My tanning bed is wet. I'm sorry, there's no light. I don't know how to put the light on in here, but it's the tanning bed right here, and the light won't come on. Oh, it did come on. Okay, it's wet all in here, soaking wet. I'm surprised that came on because the other lights won't come on. Maybe it's a circuit breaker issue. Okay, and then that's it. The white by the chairs is soaking wet. Soaking wet. Soaking wet. All right. Thank you.